Hello. Here at Plant Buddies, we remain committed to providing everything you need to be able to grow your own cannabis at home for personal use, either through our easy-to-use home grow kits or our various free online workshops. We know that times have been tough, and now, more than ever, it's important to be able to rely on a safe, economical source of cannabis to meet our growing needs. That's why I'm happy to announce the Los Angeles Covid-19 Cannabis Relief Program. Over the coming weeks, we will be donating a number of our complete home grow kits, which include installation and full support, to those Los Angeles residents who have been hardest hit by the impacts of the novel coronavirus. All you have to do is visit our website, plantbuddies.com, to fill out an application form and let us know why you should be considered to receive a home grow kit. We've all had to make sacrifices as we adjust to this new way of life, and we want to make sure we're doing our part to support the community. That's why we're excited at the prospect of helping people so that they'll never have to pay for cannabis ever again. As always, thank you, stay safe, and let Plant Buddies help you get your grow on.